Most fishing videos begin with a big fish. But this one begins with a small box, a quiet piece of water, and the tiny fish most people walk past without noticing. This is the JustFishingLOL Origin Series Microfishing Starter Kit. It is a compact beginner microfishing kit designed for ponds, creeks, parks, shallow edges, and travel fishing. If you are new to microfishing, Tanago-Style fishing, or just want a simple way to explore tiny fish close to home, this kit gives you the rod, line, hooks, floats, bait, and small accessories in one organized setup. Before setting up the rig, I like to start with the bait. The bait included in the Origin series has detailed mixing instructions on the package. Use a small amount, add water slowly, and give it a little time to fully absorb moisture. While the bait is resting, you can set up the line. Keep the case close so the small parts do not get lost. Attach the line carefully and let the rig hang naturally from the rod tip. If you are using a small float or indicator, keep it light. With microfishing, small movements matter. When the bait is ready, use only a tiny amount on the hook. Before it touches the water, take a moment to observe. Look for shade, grass, rocks, and slow edges. Tiny fish are often right there in the quiet margins. The first move is not a long cast, it is observation. Move slowly, keep your shadow off the water when you can, and place the bait gently. Do not splash it in, let it settle naturally. The Origin series is made for people who want to learn microfishing without carrying heavy gear. It is easy to pack for a walk, a camping trip, a road trip, or a quick stop by a local pond or creek. Because these fish are small and delicate, handle them gently. Female fish, especially those with a visible ovipositor near the belly, should be released quickly. When exploring a new spot, we usually photograph well-colored males for field records. Their breeding colors can show useful details about size, condition, and local variation. The goal is not trophy fishing. The goal is to notice, learn, record, and leave the water in good shape. If you want to start microfishing with a simple beginner-friendly setup, you can explore the Origin Series Microfishing Starter Kit at JustFishingLOL.com. Tiny fish, big adventures. See you next time. See you next.